Now, I've just caught up my zebra finches, which have been breeding all summer in an outside aviary, because I wasn't sure how many I actually had. I guessed about 15 or 16, but when I actually caught them, after a couple of hours, I had 24. And here they are. This is the hens and a few youngsters. And there's 4 males. There's some nice colours. About 24. Now there is actually 24 there in total. I'll probably keep 3 pairs, maybe six birds, maybe 8 birds, and I'll just get rid of the rest because otherwise I just have too many. I also have my diamond doves in this cage as well, in this shed as well. These cages are for my canaries usually, but my canaries are elsewhere. So here's my 8 diamond doves, the mother and father, and the 6 babies. I'm just going to keep 4 diamond doves and I'll probably sell 4. Okay, thanks for watching.